Hi guys, and today I'm going to be doing another my pet fish review. I know I said I was going to do a Call of Duty Black Ops 3 video. I am in my next video. To prove it, look, I do have the game, guys. I do have the darn game, Call of Duty Black Ops 3, right here, ready for the next video. And yeah, but it's been a long time since I made a video, and I'm going to be feeding my fish the shrimp, baby shrimp. And cause I only feed these like 2 times a week, okay, guys? And look at the gourmet fish. So I have it right here, the food, and I'm gonna be feeding them. So yeah. Honestly, to be honest with you, I like these. They really love these shrimp. See it over there? They eat it. Wow, these are savage. I don't feed them too much of these. They're literally fighting. Don't worry, I'm putting more. I'm not an idiot. Jesus Christ, that's a big one right there. Oh, this kid. Well, he just ate that shrimp. Wow, these fish are savage, bro. They're savage, freaking savage. So yeah, wow, look at them. They're literally fighting for the shrimp. If you guys don't look at it right now, this is the picture of the shrimp, right? Baby shrimp. And yeah, it's really gross, honestly. They're a baby shrimp. Don't worry, guys. We got them from the pet store. It's all cleaned and reserved. All rights reserved. So, these are blood parrot fish and a gourmet fish. They're growing a lot. They're growing like very fast, guys. And I want to show you my other fish tank too. Alright, so I don't really feed these fish this type of shrimp. I only feed them these worms, the dried worms. And I have like 5 Daniels. They like to hide under the filter. I'm behind. So I'm going to show you